So these videos are videos that can be applied to both platforming, top-down games, and any other style of games. I'm going to be doing them based on the platform game, but you can apply this to a top-down game as well by doing some slight changes. So the first concept we're going to talk about is fake walls. Fake walls is something that appears quite a lot in different games, including top-down and platform games as well. So how do we set up a fake wall? Well, first thing we need is a wall. So I'm going to take our platform and I'm just going to copy and paste this. So I'm going to clone it to create platform number 2. So now I'm going to set this platform up, just like so. I'm going to make this a more realistic size, like that. So there's our new wall. And what I could also do is create another wall just above this one, like so. So we've got our two walls here. This one is our normal platform that we've used throughout. This one's platform 2. So it's a separate platform. What we're going to do to platform 2 is we're going to edit behaviors, and we're going to turn off the solid. We also don't need physics on it, so we can turn that one off as well. That's from an earlier tutorial, but we want to turn off solid. Now when we run this, we can jump on top, almost jump on top, there we go. We can jump on top of this one and go through as normal, but this wall, we can go through it. There's no collision whatsoever on this. So fake walls are really easy to set up. It's up to you how you use them. If you want to keep them completely secret from players and make it so players have got to explore to find them, or make it quite obvious there's a secret wall behind it, that can all be added. But all we're doing is just taking an object we've already got and then just turning off the solid behavior.